your heart, and I know that it is love. And this place could be much breathed in tomorrow. And if you really try, you'll find there's no need to cry. In this place, you feel there's no heart or sorrow. There are ways to get there. If you can't enough for anything, make a little space, make a better place. Heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying. If you care enough for living, make a better place for you and for me. If you want to know why, there's a love that cannot lie. Love is strong, so be careful, joyful giving. If we try, we shall see. In the place we cannot feel, feel a dread. We stop asking, start living. Then it feels that always loving out for us and growing. So the better world, make a better world. Heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying. If you care enough for living, make a better place for you and for me. And the dreams we will can see them in a joyful face. And the world we once believed in shall gain grace. Then why do we keep struggling with this heart will save your soul? To this flame to see this world heavenly. Big God's glow. We can fly so high, let those spirits never die. My heart